I am B. Chandra Sekhar. I am working as Additional Director of Sericulture in Hyderabad. As far as sericulture industry is concerned, we are number 2 in the world and number 2 in the country also. And sericulture is being practiced in Andhra Pradesh for the last 60 years, but it was in peak period from 1978 to 1991, during which period we had implemented several schemes with the aid of drought prone area program, IRDP, SFDA and other departmental programs. But during 1991, due to the import policy of silk, there was inflow of Chinese silk at a cheaper rate than Indian silk, during which period the cocoon prices have slashed down. So with this, the farmers were not getting the remunerative price for their produce. In the process, there was a decline in the sericulture propagation. But meanwhile, there was a project called JICA International Cooperative, this is JICA project, which was implemented in the year 2000 in Andhra Pradesh for the first time. It was introduced in Andhra Pradesh in Kuppam area of Chittoor district to inculcate the farmers towards bivotin hybrid production, because the requirement of bivotin silk is widely accepted by different countries in the world. So in order to propagate bivotin sericulture in Andhra Pradesh, with the assistance of Japan International Cooperative Agency, the JICA program was implemented in a limited way in Kuppam area with a small group of around 25 farmers. The results of these 25 farmers were very encouraging, and with this scenario, the farmers have come forward towards bivotin sericulture. So this program was extended on a large scale in Anantapur and Chittoor district for propagation of bivotin sericulture. During the process, many schemes were implemented under JICA, where new technologies like promotion of chalk layering center was developed. There was the improvement of mulberry gardens and maintenance of chalky gardens. All these schemes were promoted under JICA. In addition to that, the farmers were given training under different technologies, so also the farmers. Some of the staff members were also deputed for Japan to study the bivotin propagation in Japan and to implement this scheme about the technologies they have seen in Japan in Andhra Pradesh also. So for promotion of bivotin sericulture, the farmers should have certain requisites. They should have mulberry garden of improved varieties with wider spacing with assured irrigation facilities. The farmer should have a separate rearing shed for silkworm rearing, and the farmers should be in a position to implement the technology properly to improve their bivotin production.